In this tutorial, we are going to model a range, also known as open-end spanner, in very simple steps. So without wasting any time, let's start this. First of all, select front plane and select circle tool. It will automatically sketch on front plane. Start sketching by drawing circle around the origin. Select smart dimension tool and set dia to 32. Select center line tool and draw a line like this. Select line tool and draw two lines like this. Hold Ctrl key and select these two lines. Make them equal and parallel. Now hold Ctrl key and select these two lines and the center line. Add symmetric relation to them. Now select center point arc. Start sketching the arc by positioning the arc center on this center line. Now hold Ctrl and select the open end of the arc and the end of this line. Now add merge relation to them. Now select Smart Dimension tool and set a distance of 17 between these two lines. Select Center Line tool and draw a horizontal line starting from origin like this. By selecting Smart Dimension tool, add an angular dimension between these two lines and set it 17 degrees. Set the horizontal distance between center point of the arc and origin to 6. Set the radius of the arc to 9. Now select Trim tool and trim out these two arcs. Our sketch is now fully defined. Exit the sketch. Now select the sketch we have drawn. Go to Feature menu and select Extruded Boss feature. Set the direction of the extrude to midplane. Set the length of the extrude to 5. Now exit the extrude feature. Our first spanner of 17 mm has been completed. Now we will draw the other spanner on the right side. Start drawing the sketch by selecting the front plane and select the sketch tool. Select the circle tool and draw a circle like this. Select center line tool and draw a line from origin to the center point of the circle. Select smart dimension tool and set the dimension of this line to 110. Select center line tool and draw a line like this starting from the origin. Draw another center line like this and make it horizontal. Select Smart Dimension tool and set the angular dimension between these two lines to 17 degrees. Select Line tool and draw two lines like this. Hold Ctrl key and select these two lines and add equal and parallel relation to them. Hold Ctrl key and select these two lines, the center line, and add symmetric relation to them. Now select center point arc and set the center of arc on this line and draw an arc like this. Hold Ctrl and select and merge them together. Select Smart Dimension tool and set the radius of the arc to 9 and the dia of the circle to 29. And set distance between these two lines to 13. And the distance between center point of the arc and between this point to 6. Now select Trim tool and trim out these extra arcs. As our sketch is now fully defined, exit the sketch and go to Feature menu and select Extrude feature. Select the direction of the extrude and set it to the midplane. Keep the extrude length to 5 and hit OK. Now we will create the handle body of the spanner. Select the front plane and start sketching on it. By selecting the center line tool, draw a horizontal line like this. Hold Control key and select this point and this arc. Add concentric relation. Now select the line tool and draw two horizontal lines like this. Hold Control key and select these two lines and center line and add the symmetric relation. Select Smart Dimension tool and set the distance between these two lines to 11. Select Tangent Arc tool and start drawing the arcs like this. Hold Control key and start adding tangent relation to these arcs like this. Select Smart Dimension tool and set the radius of these two arcs to 23. And 30 for these two arcs. Select Convert Entities tool and select the circular arcs like this and hit OK. Select the Trim tool and trim out these extra arcs. Now the sketch is closed, so exit the sketch. Now select the sketch we have created and go to Feature menu and select the Extruded Boss feature. Set the direction of the extrude to midplane and set the distance of the extrude to 3 mm and hit OK. We have finally created our open end spanner. However, we have to create an impression and draw the numbers as shown in the picture. For this purpose, select this face of the spanner and go to Sketch menu and start a sketch. Select Center Line tool and draw a center line like this. Now select Center Point Straight Slot tool and start sketching the horizontal slot from the center point of this line. Set the distance between these two points to 60 and set the width of the slot to 5 mm and exit the sketch. Now go to Feature menu and select the Extruded Cut feature. Set the depth of the cut to 0.5 mm. Now select the Extruded Cut feature we have created and select Mirror tool and select the front plane to set it as the plane of symmetry. Now select Fillet tool and set the radius of the fillet to 0.25. And start selecting the faces like this. Now to add the numbers and the text as shown in the picture, select the surface of the body and start sketching by drawing a center line like this. Set the distance between the center point of the line and origin to 55. Set the distance of the line to 55. And set the distance between these two lines to 0.75. Now select the text tool and click on this line. Write 17 in the text box. Now again select the text tool, write 13 in the text box and select the left align in the paragraph setting. Again select the text tool and click on this line and write whatever you like in the text box. Select the middle align in the paragraph setting of the text and exit the sketch. Now select the sketch we have created and go to feature menu and select extruded boss feature and set the value of the extrude to 0.3 mm. If you like the video, please hit like button and subscribe to my channel.